Guys, ngaze ngakhala ngibuka i-Real Housewives. Ngaze ngakhala ngangazi understand ukuthi ngikhalelani, ngaze ngakhala ngikhalela uJojo. Ngaze ngakhala every time uJojo akhala nami ngiyakhala. Bengibahleka last week bakhala ngithi bakhalelani labo mama laba. Nami bengikhala this week. Guys, I was crying with them. What's happening? I was crying this week, guys. I was crying with Jojo. We need a live where we can all cry. I think we are not just crying about what's happening in the episode. I think we are, like Jojo was saying, Jojo is crying about everything. You know, all of the friendships that went bad, all of her abandonment issues, you know, all of the friendships where you gave your most and then you were not appreciated. And you felt like, you know, you were just easy to be rid of. You know, I feel like that. Hey, guys, I was tired of crying. And I'm not finished watching the episode because I was like, hey bo, ngaze ngakhala. Shame uJojo. Lapho unonku uthi she was busy with praise and worship in her room. Unonku is one of those friends that are like so self-involved that they won't even see when like you really need them, you know, like in moments where you really need them. And I think she's not seeing that Jojo like really like is being emotional because she's triggered. And Jojo has previously shared very good thing. In the past, she's had experiences where in friendships she will be loyal and then she makes one mistake and then a person just treats her bad in a friendship. So Unonku as a friend, she should know what it's a trigger for Jojo. But Unonku recently, she's self-involved. She's just about herself. If she wants to go and praise and worship in her room, she's going to praise and worship in her room. So I was sad for Jojo Shem because I don't think Unonku even saw Ugutu Jojo needed her because Unonku, she's just focused on herself. So I don't think that Unonku, or maybe she was, I don't think that Unonku was intentionally ignoring Jojo when Jojo was knocking. But she was, because we had the shoes. Sizwile icaslo kanonku ngaphakathi sithi phaqha. What's happening, guys? Hayi uJojo Shem. Ngathi umntwana Shem usaba nokukhuluma Shem uJojo. Anyway, guys, let me finish this episode, ne? Let me finish it and then we'll review. Maybe we need a live because it's a Friday today. Do we need a live? What's in a funny live Real Housewives? I near bored. But maybe we need a live, guys. Sikhulume nje sixoxa lamakhosikazi. Sikhale ngoba iyakhalisa le episode mina ngazi indaba. Maybe satanism obuthile. Phela kuthiwa lama shows lawa siwabukisisa. I must put my Bible here when I'm watching these shows because I don't understand why am I crying. Yo ngikhalela uJojo. uJojo every time akhala ngiyakhala. Every time Angel ekhala ngiyakhala. Ngizingikhalelani. I think my periods are coming. But they're not coming recently. Something's going on. I'm crying a lot. No, I'm not pregnant. I'm about to menopause. 45 and above. Yes. So, yes, guys, maybe we need a live, ne? We need a live. Yeah. Let me finish the episode because I had to go wipe the tears, take care of Seppo, drink something because the way I was crying, I cried so many tears, I got dehydrated, so I had to drink something. Yeah.